Hello. Today let's have a workout with the EMS foot muscle stimulator here. EMS is a technique designed to stimulate muscles using electrical current to achieve a specific effect. Small, low voltage electrical pulses are delivered to the muscles by means of the electrode placed on the skin in order to cause the muscle to contract. The EMS techniques are used to relax or strengthen the muscles, for example, in cases of muscle spasm, poor blood circulation, especially in the back and neck, muscle atrophy and after the illness, or as a part of a rehabilitation after an injury. And this is a foot muscle stimulator. So we are ready to use this here. The foot pad device is intended to be used as an adjustable therapy. We place our foot on the parts, on it, easy peasy. And of course, we start then by using the remote or the buttons on the device itself. And we have 20 massage intensity options. Low intensity, level 1 up to 5. Low medium intensity, 6 up to 10. Medium high intensity, 11 to 15. And the high intensity is level 16 to 20. We should gradually adjust the intensity based on our comfort level to avoid any discomfort. We start with a lower setting and increase it slowly as we become accustomed of the stimulation. Okay, let's have a look there. We are going to get into a comfortable seat position. For the best result, we sit with our knees and ankles at right angles to our body. We place both bare feet on the foot pads. We make sure we remove all footwear, including the socks and stockings. If desired, we apply a moisturizing lotion to the soles of our feet. Before using the device, it is better to drink a lot of water and moisture the foot with a lotion to improve the conductivity and the stimulation. If our feet are too dry, it would be better to soak our feet in the warm water for about 10 up to 15 minutes. And then, of course, we can start the process and we can have a relaxed workout as well. After we finish the job, we can go back to our standard thread every day, but with a better feeling and a good EMS foot muscle stimulation workout. Try this every day and you will better win comfort with yourself. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!